Hello everyone, it's pretty simple to get the update of iOS 14. So let's start. Open the link of the Apple beta program from description or go to a beta.apple.com on Safari browser. Simply scroll and select sign in. After signing in, scroll down and select enroll your iOS device. Make a full backup if possible. Scroll down to the second step. Click on download profile. Tap allow. Now go to settings app and select profile downloaded. Tap on install. Enter your passcode. Install. Done. Now come back to software updates section. As you can see, your iOS 14 update is here. That's it. Thanks for watching.